Well, and just like that, quick turnaround, we are headed back to North Vancouver. So unfortunate, such a nice day here. It's going to be about 20 degrees again. Sun's out. It feels like summer. But don't fret, we're going to have some great North Vancouver content coming up. So stay tuned, and we're off. Alright, just like that, we are back. It was a quick turnaround. Phenomenal trip nonetheless. Spectacular sights to see. The Okanagan's so close to here and so close to my heart that we will be back and bringing you guys more content in the near future, so don't worry about that. But to switch gears, switch focus, I've got a very special guest, a very special episode planned, and you guys are going to meet him, guys and girls. You're going to love him. He's very close to my heart. A little crazy at times, but a lot of fun nonetheless. So let's jump in the car and let's go see him. Alright, the weirdest thing is happening in my car right now. My door is not closing. I gotta hold it closed. Look at it. It's not closing in place. What the? Okay, never mind. We got the door fixed. We can drive. About to meet the boy. Let's go. All right, episode 9 of Couch Exploring is in the books. Remember, if you guys like what you see, please subscribe, drop a like, drop a comment, and we're just going to keep this thing going. We're going to keep it going and flowing. So until next time, episode 10, it's going to be a big one. Stay tuned. Ciao.